now.
All right.
You guys ready?
I'm ready.
And go.
Better judgment. I don't think you actually have to rush to get 15 minutes.
Did you leave the timer?
Holy fuck, that's hot. That's how they fuck you.
Did they leave the timer or take it? I think they took it.
They knew it was good.
So I really hope you do all 4 of them. Like a
I'm
bomb.
thinking about this shit's hot as shit. It's burning my mouth.
Oh my god. Here's like half of it down already.
Oh.
I can't chew that fast.
No one grab napkins, I bet.
We don't need napkins.
You're chewing?
Yeah, I don't want to die from choking.
That's what the death is. It's death by choking.
Yeah, motherfucker. Shit. Give me some water up in this. What's up?
So how are you gonna edit this video, Chozo?
Actually, they're 1.5 pounds. You have to
2 of
eat
them.
all of them.
Oh, there. No, that's just I'll cream this out a little bit.
This shit's hot as
I
fuck.
haven't tasted it, and I'm glad. I'm just glad I could take those tomatoes off.
It's not stained.
Yeah, Cole, we should one of yours at mine.
Oh!
I will fucking murder you.
I'm tasting myself, Chozo.
It's been like 2 minutes.
Burrito number 2?
Oh my god, he's on number 2 already.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
It's been 3 minutes.
Are you on the same page for
All,
last time?
everyone.
He has to do 2 of those burritos in 15 minutes.
Dude, you're eating slow as fuck. Come on.
It's only been 3 minutes. We got 15.
It's all those fucking black rights he's got these days.
Let's follow up. No. Get some napkins. Not crack backer like you. I need some napkins.
How you
Quick!
doing down there?
What?
Random guy! Grab us some napkins.
Really?
Yeah, thanks, man. Just napkins is fine. I need a fork.
What? Why do you need a fork?
Can get my mouth around this meat?
Now you know that's a lie.
That's what she said.
Oh, thank you, dude.
Oh, you're an awesome guy.
Of all the people, you're one of them.
Man,
Thank you.
How long have we got?
Like 20 minutes.
This has been recording for 3 minutes.
It's only been like 5 minutes, maybe.
It's been 3 minutes.
Yeah, I'm assuming he started at 11:30, so 11:35.
I started recording before you started, and it's been 3 minutes and 20 seconds.
Okay.
That's it?
Oh my god, he's almost done. What the fuck?
Yeah. Chozo could have done a 3rd one.
Hello.
Chozo,
I expect it to be out here when I'm ready.
has it ever occurred to you that you might be a Terminator? Or some other sort of
It's
monstrosity?
occurred to me that I might have terminal illness.
What is it, fat
In the
assery?
near
Like heart
future,
disease?
It's Attack of the Killer Tomato style. They're invading and they build a super Chozo. just eat them. Every last one of them. And that's like Pac-Man all over again. Chozo just starts running. Chozo bot just starts running down the middle, the middle of the aisle, and just nom, nom, nom. You're already done with the first challenge. Do the second one.
I'm the victor.
We got our winner already. It's going on. Try.
There's two shirts too, you know.
Ford's gonna be a little hard.
It's gonna be a lot for me.
Not as badass as we are.
Already struck down 2 and I'm starting my second one. So let's go. My turn. Even Glitch is more farther along than you. Wow. What Shane's a fat ass. You could kicking his ass.
Shane just throws it in
His
his
fat ass.
He doesn't even eat it.
I'm watching. I'll just go through it in the trash.
Yeah, I finished it. Also, this table's really dirty underneath. It's just a pile of burrito meat.
Oh, there's a sour cream. I'm tripping now. Oh,
Really?
it was like right at the
That's so
beginning.
gross. That sucks, man.
That's fine.
Sour cream would ruin this thing.
Hey, but it's in the beginning. I haven't tasted it at all. I haven't tasted much of it.
Look at my dog. Yeah, so you haven't been eating yours. You've been swallowing it. You're like, bite, swallow. You gotta finish your third one before I'm halfway done with my second. How long has it been?
5 minutes and 40 seconds.
And
She hit the camera before. She hit the camera before.
Just so you already did it. Shane, come on.
It was like
Let's
maybe 10 seconds before he did it, maybe.
Uh-huh.
I think Glitch isn't gonna make it.
No.
Our badassery kicks his ass.
That fourth one is not gonna. It's not gonna happen.
I'm gonna enjoy it when I see you hit your food wall.
On his fourth one?
It's already there.
I'll just
I don't know. I can feel it in my throat.
You'll know when you hit the food wall.
I'm halfway, but
It's in sight. It's in sight.
my food ball's coming.
I know I can make it. I'm just
I'm
gonna
just gonna
slow
pound it
down
out, yeah.
crazy. Yeah. We have 10 minutes left, probably.
A little less than 10 minutes.
If I did one burrito in 5 minutes, that means I can chill for 5 minutes.
Yeah. If I do 3 burritos in 6 minutes, I can.
You did. Oh, okay. Just kidding. And so you did 3 burritos in less than 6 minutes, but you're still on your third one.
Fuck it. Yeah. This is my max. I can't eat anything after this. I don't need to.
So full.
Eat it, Joe. Show it.
No, don't make this any harder.
If we do it and you don't,
Oh, I'll do it.
especially if Shane doesn't do it, I'm changing at the wall.
I would chill on the wall of shame.
I think the Shane can do it.
The fact that-
friggin' 9 minutes.
The fact that I ate
Glitch,
one.
that you put down one and you're not a fat ass, I'm pretty impressed by that.
I'm not. I have higher standards. Eat that.
You ate 6 tacos already.
I had 4.
That's a smart move. That's like burger we're talking
Doing
pretty good. So the second one.
7 minutes.
He's finishing number 3. He's done 3.
This guy's a beast.
Yeah, I think he was done in like 5 minutes.
Pretty much.
We got 7 minutes.
All right.
Alright, I'm big.
Just like I'm done.
Oh, yeah. I'm picking. Nope.
Look at this. You see how skinny I am? The fact that I ate one was amazing.
That's what I said.
And a burger before
That's
I
why-
came.
That's why I unbuckled.
Yes.
That's why I unbuckled and undid my pants before we started.
Chozo, you were just trying to touch balls again. Don't lie.
You know what? I'll be proud of the wall of shame. I'm 175 pounds. I
You
just
can
ate.
finish that in the amount of time that you're talking.
It was sucking my dick by the time you finished talking.
I don't have room for it. I'd be the 5th burrito, and I can't even start the 4th. I should have got different
Does that
flavors.
mean you were saving Glitch for dessert?
Oh, this one says chicken.
Which of his job?
This one says chicken on it.
Chozo, go for it.
Oh shit,
As long as it
chicken.
starts looking at you, run.
Chozo, it's like Christmas. Chicken. He just starts ripping it open.
Is it chicken?
I'm gonna pick up
Only one way to find out, Chozo. You got to
Oh,
bite
it's
into it.
beef. I've been fucked.
I should have got one beef and one chicken. I can't have this much beef.
Oh, this is extra sour cream.
I'm glad you can take off one topping.
I can't do
Oh,
it.
this is a suicide burrito. This one's disgusting. Did
They were
poison this one?
hoping you'd eat that one first. They were wrong.
Got you good, fucker.
I have to look up and if I look down, my
No,
stomach
look,
turns.
really. This is the suicide burrito. They poisoned it. What is all these vegetables and shit? Where's my beef?
I swear to God, if you finish that one before me,
I'm good.
Do it.
I'm good. I'm good.
I'm there.
No food. Oh.
Yeah, where are you?
10 minutes.
Where are
You
you
got 5
at?
minutes left.
10 minutes. Chozo? Done?
10 minutes done.
Right. Now prove it.
7 minutes left. When I get mine.
I don't have the whip app. No, don't. Just finish the burrito. Do it.
You need to finish yours.
I will. If
What time are we at?
10 minutes.
Come on.
You got
5
5
minutes?
Yeah.
You can finish that in 5 minutes.
Come on, Chozo.
This one's got all sorts of shit. The other ones did not have.
Chozo. Make him have a,
No,
make him have a new wall. Make him have a new wall, Chozo. Make him have a new wall. Right here. It's called time.
I ate 3 in 6 minutes. Get off my dick.
I can't even bite it.
I think the sour cream's getting me.
Damn, look at Shane's kicking ass. Where's that random dude? I need some water.
Random dude! Random guy. Where'd you go?
He shows up.
I'll go.
Hey guys, I'm
Get
waiting
bad
for you.
for our faith.
I thought you might need my assistance.
Oh, is that yours?
No.
Who the fuck is Guy Harvey? Like that t-shirt is so original. Hey guys, check out my new stylish duds. Guy Harvey original. Stop touching my balls.
Wow. They must have put some dick in that burrito.
Cause I'm a dick?
Yeah.
Well, I'm done.
Whoa.
Can I eat that?
You mess up.
Are you gonna eat that?
I tried.
So, after
was the
Del
sour
Taco
cream.
runs for like the next 2 weeks.
My heart's stopping. But I'm not.
Chozo has eaten a challenge and a half. No, a challenge in what, 3/4.
He's about to do 2.
What? Are you quitting? Shane is done.
No.
Come on,
Yeah.
Joe.
Joe, somebody here.
How much time do we have left?
You got 2 minutes.
Oh, mother.
Probably less than 2 minutes.
Alright.
Valued effort. You have breakfast for the mornings over there. I have breakfast too.
Breakfast. Fuck this thing.
Who's that breakfast?
Who wants a free burrito?
You're gonna look at it tomorrow. You're gonna be like,
Yeah.
no.
It's
Sour
mocking me.
cream.
Oh, gag reflex? That sucks.
My better judgment just said no. No, Glitch, no.
I think I was getting the
No talking.
Chozo has to concentrate. He has to focus his zen.
You can do it, Joe. I got faith in me. Damn it. I mean you.
fucking sour cream.
You got like a minute left.
This is me all God.
Wow.
Joe.
I think
I had that.
you did all right.
I had that shit.
Wait, I got it.
I had like 3 bites left,
Huh?
but I just couldn't put
I think
it
you just called out the order.
Like I felt it. Like I took that last bite and I was like, oh god, that's sour cream.
There's extra vegetables in this one.
I know.
My weakness.
Chozo, mine was like that too. It's like mine has like lettuce and everything in there. It's like
Lettuce, meat at the bottom.
I'm getting that pretty long now.
Eh. At least you didn't have to deal with the sour cream.
There's no time for talking. You gotta eat.
Yeah, Joe.
Yeah, time's like almost up.
What time is it?
Well, I'm at 14:40.
So you're probably about.
And you started like 30 seconds before everyone.
You probably have like a little less than a minute ago.
I can't believe you're fucking crazy.
I don't know if I have that.
I can't
At least I
believe you
fought
did
it
that.
out. Like Shane.
Well, no, Shane ate a lot.
Oh, I pushed out. I'm not in the front.
Yeah,
I pushed all the way out.
you got fucked.
It's alright.
But if Shane had a burrito like this one, he got fucked.
All
It was
both of
hard
mine
to
were
eat.
like that.
My first two were like that. You did it?
You win because you didn't have the sour cream.
Chozo was ridiculous.
Can I finish him when we're done?
You almost did!
Can I finish my fourth one?
Are there any children here right now? No, just
My
Chozo.
mouth is a little bigger.
Just the children inside Chozo that are eating all the food for him.
Wait a minute, these ones don't count. This is the third.
But still! I hate you, Chozo.
We're gonna inherit the house.
I hate you so much. Which, you want to move into Chozo's group? I don't think he's going to survive.
This one is PS3.
No. We keep it. That's part of the house. If we move into the house, we get to keep it.
I'm down.
Are you done? He's almost done with
Can I have water? Please?
You have water in front of you.
I know, but they said hands up. I don't think they're actually watching.
This is recorded. Just to let you know.
Down.
He wants to eat the rest of his soon, so.
It's gone. I hate that shit. Bitch. That water's too close to my teeth, but I need water. So glad I did my pants before this. I would have been able to do it.
So you're going to get kicked out. You're not even going to win. You're going to get kicked out for taste experiment.
Wait, what?
I'm wearing a full pair of shorts under this.
I hate you so much, Chozo.
General Gargle days. Man versus machine. Me versus a wood chipper. Man versus food. What?
I don't want to go on the wall.
I think I.
I'm down with the wall of shame.
We'll all pose nicely for it.
I don't want to. I could have done that shit.
What on a shirt. He's all watching us judiciously on the
There's like some weird
cameras.
There's like some weird Taco Big Brother watching us right now.
Oh, we can still get burgers.
My God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh, burger. Oh,
He's
no.
crazy. He's gone mad, Joe.
Let's get out of here.
He's got burrito mad.
So, fuck everything.
2 out of 5.
Hey, fuck sour.
That was awesome. You Ralphed everywhere. That was the
I have
best.
it on camera.
Oh, that's sweet. Yes.
She's like,
That just proves how bad this was.
I saw you. I'm like, wow, this is
We did it. We are men.
I'm pretty sure I caught it on
Balls
camera
now.
because I turned away, but I don't know if my hand did.
Everybody won but you? No.
No. It was just them two.
These two won.
Oh, you ain't even ready for the real news.
No,
the real war.
Can he win for somebody else? Like, she was just standing there recording. Could she win for his?
He ate my two for me.
So it was all you 6 tried it?
I didn't do it.
So it was just all you 5 and you 2 won?
Does it count if after eating it I vomited?
The biggest one you have. What is the biggest one you have?
Those 2 X's?
What the fuck? It's a burrito eating challenge.
Chozo, you can wear it as a hat.
What the hell is that?
You can wear it as a
I vomited because of sour
I ate
cream
4
after eating them.
burritos. I should get an X for each burrito I ate.
4?
Because I couldn't get the sour cream.
I
I
have
had to get
water
rid of
now?
tomatoes. I can't
Ah,
stand it.
yeah.
Alright, for you? Shirt size?
What?
Damn it.
Double that.
I hate this.
What if you do this
Fucking
again?
sour cream.
Well, build up your resistance after.
I probably do need
No! It's impossible. It's disgusting.
Nobody can hit
Biggest
targets
troll.
like that. That's not true. I guess
Oh, it was 85 pounds. I ate one burrito.
And I had a footlong sandwich today with
Just
chips
like beggar's
and a
candy.
large drink. And I watched the Church of Fudge.
Would anybody like a 3-pound burrito? I mean a half-pound?
No.
1.5.
I'm not taking this home. I don't want to see this
He's
thing.
never eating burritos ever again.
Give it a Chozo. He'll eat it.
Give it to Colton. He's got room.
No, it has tomatoes, so he's not going to eat it.
And sour.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Yeah. Bring me the tacos.
I don't even want to see this thing.
It's your baby. Take it home.
I don't want to see sour cream ever again. Or tomatoes.
I don't want to see burritos for a good long while.
Oh, man. If I don't get something special, I'm going to be
I'm
pissed.
sad. Why?
Why are you sad?
Because I won that challenge.
You had
Fuck
that
sour
shit.
cream.
You had that shit all over your plate.
Just do it
Come back and
again.
do it again.
I can't. It'll be the same thing.
Try with tomatoes this time.
No. We have to have a
No, I think
montage
tomatoes for him is worse than sour cream.
You getting over.
I'm gonna start sneaking sour cream into your food until you get used to it.
slowly poison him with sour cream.
We're like dying in a couple weeks, guys.
I should have played that.
Giles theme?
We were eating.
Is that Giles theme?
Yes.
I can't hear anything. I think I'm dead.
He's full of meat.
Guys, why am I blind? Why did it get all
When
dark
did the
in here?
other 4 of you show up?
Guys, why did it get dark in here?
It's becoming hard to breathe.
Yeah, I just realized. You can't have diabetes without die.
Be a real dick move to die, right?
Oh yeah, he's about to hand me my. He's about to take my picture. Be a real dick move to die right now.
Remember the episode of The Simpsons when Homer went to that meat eating place? A restaurant with meat and he challenged a dude named Red.
What's that you say? Free food for a year? Free.
He'll easily use it.
I'm gonna get you guys canceled business.
Yeah. You gotta play Victor.
No, really. Are you gonna eat that throw?
Shane threw it away. I could have eat it.
You know the weird part is it looked just the same as gum.
There's another burrito. Why would you suggest that? You won't. No.
Go for it.
No.
Go for it, Chozo.
He told me hands up.
Get it here.
Shane will eat it.
Are you gonna eat it?
No.
Not right now. Save it till later.
Oh, we get plates.
Alright. Oh, the
It's a frisbee, you idiot.
I didn't know we got frisbees.
Alright, who's ready for the picture?
We get a plate that doubles upside down as a frisbee.
Read this, Joe.
What?
Let's start off over here.
And we got a free menu item.
Yeah, I think it's a double Del burger.
Whoa. Are we doing
We'll
this
get
yet?
2 free ones.
Oh, they gotta be by herself? Oh, I get it. I want to black that shit. Get over here.
Ah, the shirt.
What's it say?
Guys, just all three want to be in the wall.
I love tacos. We didn't have tacos. We had burritos.
Fuck you.
I don't want to associate with them too.
Hey, get in the picture.
Get in the
fuck.
picture.
You lost me.
You lost horribly.
Throw up on Shane. There we go. I get my picture twice.
Camera.
Wait, one with your pants down, one with them up.
They're not going up.
You can use the pantsless one for the one with mine and you. Because I'll take mine up.
Oh, that was.
Get your ass down.
Watch your victory cheering.
Alright, 1, 2, and.
Hey, wait a minute.
Wait. Oh, isn't that adorable? Look at you trying to ear probe me with your tongue.
Yeah, what would make you think that,
bring mine.
We get a special place on the wall, because I ate twice as much. I had to.
That was it. That was
Suck it, Trebek.
that was it. But any final words? Laughter, silence, a moment of silence for our dear party.
Fuck Chozo.
Our dear,
He's gonna die by the end of the night. He's not waking up in the morning.
I'm going up for my
that's
free
because I'm gonna
burger.
smother him.
Hey,
Not because he
They gave me a coupon for free food.
tomorrow morning, let's just go to Chozo's to go swimming, and he'll just be laying there on the side.
Joe, a frisbee
Like
should
a
get
jack-
exercise.
Like
Everyone know I lost the
Is it-
fucking sour
Wait,
cream.
is it? Are these pink?
Yes.
That just made this 10 times better.
Cheers.
Wait, are we not supposed to touch them?
Yeah, we are.
Twin powers activate!
No, Chozo, the last time is you don't touch balls.
Oh, my bad.
I'm 175 pounds.
Wait, they're
down
gonna
and a half
print these
burrito
pictures?
in under 5
We
minutes.
should get special shit.
I can give a damn about that.
Direct fucking.
I don't want to see that anymore. I don't want to sleep tonight.
Yeah,
I
I
want to
see
see
twice as
their
much.
taco burritos in my dreams.
You know what this teaches me? Taco Bell lies when they say they have a pound burrito. Because these things, I think this is really a pound.
Those are a pound and a half.
That's
It's
a
a pound and a
half.
half.
Taco Bell lies.
This guy, unfucking believable.
Wait, that means I ate 6 pounds of burritos.
Chozo, a percentage,
That face was
Chozo, a
I
percentage of
pointed it
your
out when we
weight.
started, when you're like, can I just get 2 more
Chozo, a
burritos
percentage
on
of your
top
weight,
the challenge?
more than 1% of your weight right now, is made up of burrito.
You don't know how much my weight is.
Chozo,
We know how much is taco.
Way much
Chozo.
burrito weight.
Yes, we do.
You weigh more than 600 pounds.
Probably now.
That pushed that
If you
pushed
don't,
over.
then
That
you
pushed
ate
over.
more than 1% of your body weight.
Oh, I have to be way past 360 at this point.
Yeah, that's only 3.6 pounds.
Damn percentages and fractions and stuff.
I had a 6 pack.
You ate
I'll never have one again hanging with these
double your
fuckers.
weight. Double 2% of your weight in burrito. Hi. Why are you still filming me?
I don't know. Can I stop this now?
Anytime you want to stop it.